Enjoying the show? You can help others find it and enjoy it too by giving us a 5-star rating or review. If you feel like reaching out to us with a question or comment, you can send us an email at mywifetherd@gmail.com. And don't forget to visit our website at mywifethedietitian.com, as well as our social media pages. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Enjoy the show. It's Rob and Sandra from My Wife the Dietitian, and this is Nutrition Nuggets.
This is going to be a little tiny nugget, Rob.
Just a little wee nugget.
A bean salad nugget, a dense bean salad.
What do you mean, dense?
Well, it's like a meal in its own.
Oh, I see. Like lots of stuff in it, like dense.
Yeah, and actually it's trending. It's funny because it's something I've made for many, many years, decades.
People are onto you now.
Yeah. So the bean salad, it's so easy. You get like what do we want to do here? Do you want to talk about what it is and why it's good for you?
Let's talk about how to make it first so we know what we're talking about. And then we'll talk about how good it is for you.
Perfect. That sounds awesome.
Can of beans?
Yeah, the mixed beans is good.
Yeah, like the 3-bean medley or whatever, or 6-bean.
Yeah, whatever you can get.
Some different bean medleys.
Remember, if we're trying to get like 30 different plant foods in a week, if you use a bean salad that has more than one bean, that's even better.
Exactly.
Yeah. So yeah, just get I think I use like the 3-bean. I don't know what kind of beans. Kidney, chickpeas.
And you can get them already in a dressing too.
I didn't do that.
No, I know, but I think we've mentioned that before too. If you want a super fast, like you're going to a potluck dinner and you need to grab something super fast.
Right.
This one comes, you just open the can and eat it.
Yeah.
It's the one in the dressing. So
true. That works. The one I used was not in a dressing. Open the can, rinse it for a long time, put it in the bowl, and then I added a cup of edamame beans, which are soybeans, the young soybeans. I think we did an episode recently on edamame.
So you would have bought the frozen ones that have been shelled.
That's right.
Yeah, so you just open the bag and pour them in.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. And you know what? I didn't even defrost, and I poured them in frozen, and by the time we ate it, they were defrosted and good.
Yeah, for sure.
You don't even have to defrost them.
Oh, there you go. That's even easier.
I know. They keep the salad cold. It's kind of nice. And then a can of kernel corn. So that was...
not cream corn, though.
No.
No, just the straight up kernels.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, the kernel corn, that's right.
And that adds color, too.
Oh, yeah, and flavor and crunch. This salad is so bright and colorful. It's so good.
It's really tasty.
Yeah, it's so good. And I make my own dressing.
Yeah, of course you do.
Yeah, because, I mean, I like to add my own flavor that way. I don't really like the marinated ones, but...
Well, and you can control. I mean, that's what makes a salad healthy or not healthy is what you cover it in, I think.
Yeah,
the veggies and the beans are healthy.
Yeah. Oh,
but the dressing can make it or break it.
That's true. Absolutely.
So, yeah, make your own. You can control what's getting slathered all over it.
Can you guess what's in the dressing?
Oil and vinegar.
What?
Well, olive oil.
Yeah.
Balsamic vinegar. Probably lemon juice, lime juice.
It was apple cider vinegar.
Okay,
so
some sort of vinegar, yeah.
Yeah. And then what did you say? Yes, lemon juice. Yes.
Something citrusy, yeah.
Lemon juice.
Lemon.
What about the emulsifier part?
The emulsifier. Honey. No, I don't know.
I put honey in it, but that...
Isn't an emulsifier?
Mustard is the emulsifier.
Mustard.
Yeah.
See, I would have got that wrong on a test. I don't think if that was even a multiple choice test, I don't think I would have chosen mustard.
No way.
I don't know. I don't remember that.
Really?
Yeah, we're going to have to do another emulsifier pop quiz, I guess.
It's just a natural emulsifier in your kitchen that you can put in a salad dressing, and it helps the oil and vinegar
bind.
Yes.
That's what an emulsifier's job is.
Exactly.
Right. Gotcha.
Yeah. And then, I forgot one thing in the bean salad. I put basil leaves, tore them up, and I did put like a chimichurri kind of herb blend in the dressing and poured the dressing over that salad. And you could use it as a side dish, like a salad part of the meal, or our daughter just ate it for her lunch because it was, it's so good. It's got the protein. It's got fiber, the soluble and insoluble fiber.
Mm-hmm.
It's very filling. It's the dense bean salad, so very filling. It's super budget friendly.
Oh, totally budget friendly.
It's like a can of beans, can of corn, edamame, and then the dressing ingredients, right?
Plus whatever else you feel like adding to it, because that's just like a base, right?
Yeah.
It's like you could throw some feta cheese in there. You could throw some black olives in it. You could throw
marinated artichoke.
Yeah, whatever. Like all sorts of
prawns.
Tomatoes. Oh, prawns. Sure, why not?
It could be like a salsa.
There's no end to it. It's just the can of beans in the corner, kind of like the base of it, right?
You got it.
And then you just like dress it however you want it.
And adding beans most days of the week
will make you live longer.
It's like one of those things from the Blue Zone.
Yeah, it's like for every bean you eat, it adds like a day to your life. There's some formula like that.
You're so funny.
Pretty sure.
That's awesome.
That makes sense though, right?
Well, it reduces your risk of heart disease, cardiovascular disease. It reduces risk of diabetes because it helps with blood sugar control because of all that fiber.
Right.
Helps keep the blood sugars lower. It's really good for gut health because of the fiber, and there's prebiotics with all those beans.
Mm-hmm.
So that feeds the good bacteria in there, and you get short chain fatty acids and butyrate, which are actually, it's kind of like activating your little pharmaceutical in your gut to actually help with your body's operations. Super important.
Mm-hmm.
Just help your body work better.
That sounds perfect.
Yeah. So all these good reasons. And I mean, there's a few downfalls with eating beans if you're not used to it. What do you think? Yeah,
that's the key if you're not used to it. So I was reading some stuff online and people were talking about beans and they're like, oh yeah, no, I ate beans and it gave me gas, so I don't do that anymore. But it's like you got to let your body get used to them. Mm-hmm. Your body has to adapt to anything new that you're going to put in it, right?
If you've never had beans, for
exactly,
sure.
Yeah. So, because a lot of people are thinking, oh yeah, I heard beans are good for you, I'll try them, and then they try them and they have a bad reaction, or they don't feel good or whatever, and so then they'll never eat them again. But it's one of those things that you need to give your body time to adapt to them.
Slow and low with beans when you're just introducing them, right? Just a little bit and then build on that.
Yeah.
They are a FODMAP, so people that have IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, or other digestive issues, and if they've been taking different foods out of their diet, beans are one of those FODMAP foods that do it creates gas, but as your body gets used to digesting beans, you start to produce the enzymes to help break it down.
There you go.
So, yeah, actually including them more often will actually help your body digest and absorb the nutrition.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's a good one to try, and I think it was in our newsletter at one point, Rob.
The bean salad, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure we just had that a couple weeks ago, recipe for it.
Yeah, so sign up for the newsletter if you want more recipe ideas, veggie of the week or fruit of the week.
Yeah, nutrition tips, all sorts of great things in the newsletter. You can find that on our website. It's mywifethedietitian.com. If there's something we're talking about on the show and we're like, oh yeah, we talked about that before, it's in the newsletter, and you haven't signed up for the newsletter, there's two things you should do. First of all, sign up for the newsletter. And then if it's something we've already done in the newsletter, we'll just shoot that out to you in the email. Just say, hey, can you send me that bean salad recipe? I missed it because it wasn't on your newsletter yet. And we won't make you feel guilty or anything, maybe a little bit, but we'll still send you the recipe if that's something that is of interest to you. So just shoot us a message. Let us know. We'll help you out there. And if you have questions, you can also email your questions to us too. We love answering questions on the show. So that's something else we are more than happy to do. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as well. We're on there sharing our information and our nutrition wisdom and stories and all those things. Feel free to reach out to us there as well if that's your platform of preference. If you like the show, let us know. You can rate and review. You can leave comments. There's all sorts of ways to let us know what you're thinking and share your feedback with us. So that'd be much appreciated. And share with your friends too. That's another thing that would be much appreciated. It helps us keep the show moving forward here and helps your friend find a new fun show. So that is it for this episode. We will be back next Monday with a full episode. So until then, have a fantastic week, everyone. Thanks for joining us today on My Wife the Dietitian. If you like what you heard, don't be shy. Leave us a comment or review, and be sure to share our podcast with your friends. If you'd like to hear more, hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on our social media pages for updates, episode trailers, and other odds and ends. For more info and links on what we discussed on today's episode, check the show notes. We'll be back next week with another informative and fun-filled episode.